Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to use alt text generator plugin on Framer. So what you want to do is you want to go to framer.com, you want to go to the marketplace and you can type alt text generator and then you'll see this alt text generator. So this is the one that's created by me. Okay, so I'm just going to click here to open the plugin and I'm just going to pick one of my projects. So I already have an API key. And you can see that I already entered it here. But if you don't have an API key, you can click on Get Free API Key, and this will take you to Alt Text Generator dashboard. So here you can go to Show API Key. You can find your API key. You'll get 5 free credits. And then you can come back here, paste it. You can see it or hide it. And once you save it, then it will verify the credits that you have. In this case, I have 10 credits. You'll have 5 if this is your first time using the product. And then we can get started. So what we want to do is we want to insert an image. So I'm just going to find one image here, double click here, choose an image. So I'll just use this screenshot maybe. Okay, so this is one of the images, and let me add another image because we want to do some testing with the bulk feature as well. So if we go here, let's see. Okay, I'll just pick this one, I guess. Okay, so now we have 2 different images, okay? So in order to generate alt text, you want to click on any of the images. So I'm going to click on this one. I'm going to double click on this one and you'll see that it doesn't have any alt text. So I'm going to close this, or you can keep it open if you want to. And then I'm just going to click on generate alt text. So once you click on it, the AI will generate the alt text. And you can see that the alt text has been generated and it was updated in real time here. So I'm going to close this and I'm going to delete the alt text that we got here. And then I'm going to use the bulk feature. So I'm just going to click on generate alt text in bulk, and this should detect all the images on the site editor for Framer, and then it's going to add alt text. Okay, so this will take a little bit longer because there's 2 images, and if there's like more than 2 images, it will take longer and longer. But yes, but that's how it works. So you can see that right now we have 7 credits. We double click on any of the images that we generate alt text for. You can see that the alt text has been generated. And this plugin is great if you want to improve accessibility, SEO, and also rank higher on Google, because this is going to add alt text to all the images that you have on your site, and that's going to improve your SEO in the long term. So don't forget to use alt text generator plugin for Framer, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.